advice.
Thanks for joining us. 5:30 now on another weather alert morning and starting out very cold once again. I'm Bree Grove.
And I'm Ira Cronin. We do have team coverage for you this morning. And Sam, I think Mayo gets an award for braving the cold.
Yeah, she's out there in the middle of it. Very cold. Arctic air hasn't quite left. But Mayo, what are you seeing on the roadways?
Well, Sam, right now I'm at San Miguel and Academy, and as you can see, roads are pretty clear, but there are some slick spots in some areas. You can see that thick layer of ice, so you want to make sure to be very careful when you're driving. And side streets are snow-packed, but main streets such as I-25, Powers, and Woodman are okay. Now, I'm going to give you a look at the sidewalks because they're not as clear as you would expect, and I want to make sure that you're aware to be very careful if you're walking out. There's about a foot of snow on the sidewalks and some ice, so please be careful if you're walking out today. Now, you'll want to make sure to let your pets inside because of the conditions. Sam says it's going to be very cold, but not as cold as yesterday. You'll want to make sure to wear lots of layers, so that means heavy coat, gloves, something underneath your pants. You'll want to make sure to dress appropriately for these conditions. Now, I'm going to be out here all morning keeping you updated on the weather to make sure you're staying safe. Always watching out for you, Colorado Springs. Mayo Davison, News 5. Here's Sam Schreier with your weather.
So we have a Mayo foot, a Mayo boot, a half a Mayo boot, just a sole of a Mayo boot on the of snow on the sidewalk there where she was saying. But we definitely have the cold. This was some of the most Arctic air from yesterday that came in. -28 down in Lamar, Kirk, Stratton got close to -30. But this was what's fascinating. That -31, 32, 33. That was colder than some of the air temperatures registered up by the